What's up, Hillbillies? Welcome back. By popular request, one of the most requested comments was, how do you make the slips? I know I said in the previous video, go check it out here, hey, it started growing. But today we're gonna do it with multiple kinds. I'm gonna show you actually how to get the slips started. So first and foremost, here's one of those Okinawan sweet potatoes again, where it's purple on the inside. Here's another Japanese sweet potato, purple on the outside, and I forget what color it is on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these and show you how to get it to slip. First thing I'm doing is I just took dirt, right? I'm actually recycling dirt from other pots, so I'm just gonna spray this down and kind of get this started right here. See how it's all dry on the inside? This is what happens when soil dries out. I mean, you can see it was sopping, soaking wet on the outside. Here we are on the inside, and it's just completely dried out. Again, we're just gonna make the compost. We're reusing dirt, right? You can use your own compost. Doesn't have to be anything special or fancy. What you got down in there, we're just gonna take these guys, we're gonna half bury them. We're gonna give it another soak again. And guys, that's pretty much it. From here, you're gonna set it in a window or somewhere that gets indirect sunlight. And let's say here, we get direct sunlight here. I'm gonna set it back here, which you can't see it, but basically directly behind here. It will never get direct sunlight, there will be light. That's gonna stimulate them to grow. So what's actually happening? These tubers are going to send roots down, and they're gonna start growing slips, right? These are just stored energy nodules. That energy is designed to grow another plant. And here's an update, by the way, of what they look like. Once the slips start being made, then you can go check out my second video, which is this one right here. That video right there shows you what to do with the slips. Get you into 5-gallon buckets or wherever. You can grow in 5-gallon buckets. We're coming up with an update video here when we harvest these. Better than 5-gallon buckets is 10 gallons. Better than that, it's gonna be even more. But for now, it's that simple. In under 5 minutes, there you go. It takes you almost no time to begin the process. After a few days, it should start to sprout. And that's the beginning of my previous video. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what you would like to see, experiments that you would like me to try so you don't have to. I'm happy to do that, guys. Go out there, eliminate the struggle, and fix what bugs you. Yeah!